In this particular problem, we have a thin uniform sheet of metal of uniform thickness which is cut into the shape bounded by the lines x equal to a and y equal to plus minus kx square. Now we need to find the coordinates of the center of mass. So to find the position of center of mass, let us consider the mass per unit area of the strip to be sigma, and we consider a small strip at a distance x having thickness dx and having height y. So area of this strip, the small strip dA is equal to, that is dx into 2y or 2y dx. The value of y is kx square, so 2kx square dx. This is the area of the strip. So to find center of mass of this mass distribution, we have xcm to be equal to integration x dm by integration dm, and x is varying from 0 to a. So 0 to a, x into dm can be written as mass per unit area into area by 0 to a sigma dA. As sigma is constant, it is being cancelled out. And now if I put the value of dA, it is x into 2kx square dx by integration 2kx square dx, limit varies from 0 to a. 2k is also common and constant, that is also cancelled. So it is integration x cube dx. If we integrate out, it comes out to be 1 by 4 a to the power 4, and integration of this is 1 by 3 a to the power 3. So this is equal to 3/4 of a. This is the x coordinate, and as it can be seen that masses are equally distributed about x-axis, equal amount of mass is there in positive x side as well in positive y side as well as negative y side. So ycm is equal to 0, and the coordinate of center of mass is 3/4a, 0.